set yourself on fire. I never let you burn. I would smoke you till my lungs hurt and lie you till I'm dead.
Hello friends, welcome to another video. You guys, I'm so excited because it is literally my favorite time of the year. It is fall, it's pumpkin everything, it's orange everything. Like, you guys have no idea how much I love fall. Like, it's insane. I mean, I have already gotten so much stuff put out. I had so many iced coffees and just like, I love it. And then I love doing my makeup for fall. I love darker colors. I'm obsessed. So today's video is going to be all about decorating for fall. It's going to be baking and cleaning and cooking and all the things. So I'm just like really excited because this is truly like the #1 video that I love filming. It's kind of more of like that vlog style and just like getting my house tidied up and cleaning and cooking. Like, that's literally my favorite thing to do. I do not have a ton of fall stuff, but I really wanted just to put out the stuff that I do have. So if you guys need a little cleaning motivation or just really enjoy watching like people decorate, because I know I do, I love watching these videos here on YouTube. Like, seriously, I could watch these for hours and I would not get bored. I love watching people and what they have and how they're cleaning, and like I just love being in somebody else's like home and seeing how they do things and how they clean, and like it's just a good way to get so much inspiration and just I love it so much. I really hope you guys get a little bit of motivation or inspiration from today's video. It is going to be a little long, so make sure you guys get a little snack, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So this is a few things that I pulled out of storage. This is kind of everything that I like to pull out for fall. I always have pumpkins. I'm pretty sure I have more stuff, I just don't know where it's at. I did find my signs that I normally switch out, so I'm going to go ahead and put some things away and decorate. So if you guys want to do this with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. I can tell you a couple of these pumpkins, I don't know where they're from. They were actually given to me by my mom, this one and this one, so I don't really know where they're from. And this one I don't really know where it's from. I'm pretty sure this is Walmart. That was my dog. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure this is Walmart. I don't remember where this one's from, but it says Blessed on it. It had to be like Home Goods or something, or TJ Maxx, but this pumpkin, I think this was Walmart. Where did I find this from? Oh, this was Hobby Lobby. I found that pumpkin at Hobby Lobby. This one's from Hobby Lobby. It says Welcome Friends. And then these little pumpkins with our initials on them, I'm pretty sure were from Hobby Lobby. Some of this stuff is just so old because I use it like every year, so that is why I can't remember some of those. But this little tray I have is just like a fall leaf. And then it says, "'Tis the season to be thankful," and then this one just says, "Welcome." This is actually like more like Christmassy, so I'm gonna take this off. Oh, it broke. That's okay. I'm gonna just clean this off really quick. I don't think it's really dirty, but...
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me.
So I'm pretty sure I've already moved around my table like probably 3 times since I filmed this video, but these little centerpieces, or like table mats, whatever you want to call them, I'm actually using these in my wedding. I pulled them out of my wedding stuff to use for fall because I do not get married until next year in September, and I'm so excited because I have like 30 of those, and they're going to be the centerpieces for our tables for our wedding, and I'm just so excited because it's more of like that like bohemian farmhouse, like I don't even know how to describe it, but it's gonna look so good. And I hope you guys are sticking around to watch more of my wedding content, because I have some stuff that's gonna be coming here on my YouTube channel of me decorating and DIYing things for my wedding, especially now that I have a Cricut. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been so Cricut happy and like have not wanted to do anything else in life, especially school and clinicals and homework. Like all I've wanted to do is just play around with my Cricut, because that is what I enjoy. I love making crafts and love making things, and I have an Etsy shop too, so if you guys want to check it down in the description box, I'll have everything linked for you as well. But let's go ahead and move on with today's video.
Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just a game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo.
So I actually picked up this lighter from Amazon and I absolutely love it. The only downfall is that you have to charge it in order for it to work, so if it's like uncharged it doesn't work, but it's just really cool. I think it's so different and really neat. But I'll have it linked down in my description box for you guys on my Amazon store if you guys want to peek around on my store and see if there's something that you guys like, because Amazon is seriously my best friend. I don't know about any of you guys, but I found some really cool stuff on there and stuff that I like literally like could not live without, so definitely check it out. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and start meal prepping some food. So this is a meal that my mom made all the time when I was little and I absolutely loved. It doesn't really have a name. I don't have a name for it, but it's just like bell pepper and sausage, and then I toss in like corn and we mix it all together with rice, and it is just so good, and it's so simple and easy and just something that you may already have the ingredients for, so it's just really nice to have all the time. So I really like making this, and my fiance likes it as well.
You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you're somebody to see, searching for a feeling. Make a couple mil on passion. House on a hill, live lavish, lavish. Rolling with my hitters on the west side. Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a sing. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, 'cause you will love with the finer things.
So those of you who are new to my channel, I am a nursing student. I am in my 3rd semester of nursing school. So this night I also had to do a bunch of drug cards, so medication cards, and I'm telling you guys, we had like at least I think it was like 26 to 32 or something like that. It was an insane amount of medication cards and it took me forever. So that is what I was working on this night. I was literally doing this for probably a few hours. All of this footage from today's video is actually not all in one day, so just don't think I am like superwoman and have all these powers, because I definitely had to break this apart and film for a few days.
You
If there is one thing that you guys should know about me, you guys should know that I absolutely love baking. I love making like cookies or muffins or brownies or any of that stuff. And my fiance says that that's like my key factor about me, is that like that he loves is that I love to bake and that he loves my baking, and he says I'm pretty good at it. So that is what I'm doing today. But I normally make everything from scratch, but today I was feeling extra lazy and tired. So I had this pre-made box of gluten-free cake mix, or like yeah, I think it was a cake mix. But I normally add this cake mix with 1 can of pumpkin, and it's so good. But I was out of pumpkin. The stores didn't have pumpkin. I could not find it anywhere, so I just added in some pumpkin spice just to flavor it up a little bit, but just use the plain cake mix this time because it's super easy to make. All you needed was like water, oil, and eggs, and you guys, this is actually phenomenal, and my fiance loves them. He does not eat gluten-free. He hates anything healthy. He refuses to eat healthy or try anything that is healthy because he just automatically says it's nasty. So it is good, trust me. I find these at like Hy-Vee in their healthy market. You can find them at Walmart. Like, you can find gluten-free pre-made mixes all the time anywhere. So that is what I made, and we're moving on to meal prepping some breaded chicken.
Make a brother wanna stop, drop, roll. Prima donna chasing after commas, pop a collar. Everybody know how hard to froze. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. From your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me.
The breaded chicken is all done. I had this in the oven while I was frosting the cupcakes, and I let it cool and toss it into some containers. And this scent, you guys, oh my gosh, I got this from Walmart and it smells so good. My house literally smells phenomenal. These pillows I wanted to film because it's fall pillows, and I actually did not buy them. My fiance picked them up from Costco because he saw them on sale and was like, hey, would you like these? And I was like, who are you and what do you want? Because he never buys me anything or think of me when he's at the store. So but they are so stinking cute. Alright friends, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, seriously, this is like my favorite content to watch here on YouTube, hands down. So I really hope you guys like this. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!